Hey guys, it is Tuesday, May the 4th, 2021, and I'm going to take a little stroll today down the Rosemary Dunes Trail, see if we can't see Lefty and her babies, and give you a few shots of the trail. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. These are Lefty's babies, and she is definitely nearby somewhere. They're up enjoying the sun. We've got a couple right there, and there's a couple there in the grass. Keep in mind though, even though there's a barrier fence here, they're not actually in a pen or a cage. These are wild alligators that can go wherever they want to. Always remember, when you're visiting Lefty and her babies, don't harass her or aggravate them. Even though there is this little barrier fence, they're not actually in a pen, a fence, a cage of any kind. They're wild alligators and can go anywhere. For an example, the barrier fence around Lefty and her babies ends right there. So she's not actually in a pen or a cage. From the still wet trail, looks like I just did miss an alligator crossing over the path to the other side. Very peaceful out here, but it can get very warm, so please bring lots of water. And always keep your eyes open for wildlife. Not uncommon to see a snake or a lizard, the occasional bobcat, alligator, and even eagles. I bet that thing gets hot to the touch. The Rosemary Dunes Trail is just over 2 miles, and it intersects with the Catman Road Trail down at the Butterfly House. Also at that intersection is a little restroom area. Haven't seen a snake today, but I'm sure they've seen me. They're definitely out here. Sometimes sunning on the path, so always be aware. You probably won't be able to see it well with this GoPro camera. It doesn't really have a zoom, but the pine tree there in the distance, the tall one, that very big clump in the middle of it, is an eagle's nest, bald eagle nest. And that area is closed because it is a nesting area. The crossing trail from earlier is now dried up in the sun. So close to catching it crossing over. Each trail here in the Hugh Branyon Backcountry Trail System is a little different. Each one has its own distinct personality and different things to see. So if you get a chance, I suggest checking them all out. Another new, big beachfront condo going up. When you are visiting Lefty and her babies, please remember not to harass her or aggravate her. This is her home, and even though there is a little barrier fence, she's not in any kind of cage, any kind of fence, and she's a wild alligator. Hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you for watching.